got the pink on. So we just got here. Logan, say hi. We're gonna try that. Zari says she don't want to. It's cute. Say it again.
It's giving. Zari, careful. It's giving what it's supposed to give.
This is our review. This is our review. It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. But yeah, Zari loves it. Happy birthday to Zari. She's so excited to come to be here. So yeah, we're gonna have fun. But yeah, trying to figure out that why does these glasses look uneven? Yeah, but she on the shade. Thanks so much. I took forever to get ready because I had to take a nap. I was so tired. I was so out of it. I had a drink. That drink took me out. But I'm ready to party. Tomorrow we're gonna probably do the movies and bowling.
It's so beautiful. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit. Get many suits. We don't need a bathroom. Not bad. Give me a little psych out. We're just tired. We're just tired. We're going right out, yeah.
It's pretty. They have like the little fire pit right there. We're gonna do that tomorrow. We're gonna do a s'mores night. We're gonna do that tomorrow.
So we're about to go get some breakfast, and then we might go to the arcade or bowling or the movies.
You gotta ask your Keely.
Then we're gonna go out to eat. And then after we come back from out to eat, it's probably gonna be dark, or if it's not, we're probably gonna go to the pool. And then we're gonna get the stuff for the s'mores and the night like that.
Period.
Wow.
I was pushing the door instead of pulling it. So dirty.
It's right there. Hey guys, we are headed to breakfast.
Can you put the camera up? The food.
Zari. Logan.
Everyone's about to eat and enjoy their breakfast. So, cheers to that. I don't have no bev, but cheers to Starbucks. I'm probably gonna get a matcha. But the Starbucks is so cute. I love the little cups. Zari, say hi. Zari, don't take the
We're gonna have to work out in the water now.
her. No, y'all know I live. She really can't swim, so I don't know why the hell she do stuff like this. Even though it's like I think it's like 3'7". It don't matter. Like, honestly, I'm dramatic. Oh, there's Logan.
Come on. One more.
But yeah,
It is now 2-4.
look at Lisa. Look at her. Oh my God. She loves him, but living. Logan, chill. Yeah, so Auntie Vonna duties, you know the boy. Literally, I'm just like living a life. We're off to get dinner. The Uber right now, and yeah, we're gonna head out.
We didn't go to that. We went to the outside, that one house that looks weird too.
The food is really bomb, guys. Like, it's really bomb. This, I don't know. I put a lot of stuff that didn't really belong, but whatever. But they gave us so much freaking meat. Nah, when I tell y'all, let me back up. I am so stuffed. Literally so stuffed. Yeah, you can't tell. My freaking stomach is like bulging. Like, I had massive. I'm gonna bite into the lamb chops for y'all because y'all need to see this. Y'all have to see this. Like, oh my god. Oh, alright, I'm gonna bite it.
I think that they know you want it well done and you're
Yeah.
making it well done.
Juicy, flavorful.
What's the mini block filter? I don't have that.
It's like everything I want. And I didn't even get it.
Oh, beautiful.
So I mean, let me bite it one more time for y'all. Cause y'all not seeing, y'all not hearing what I'm doing. Like, this is
Oh, you're actually right.
That's how you go. Cheers, guys. Though. I love y'all. Cheers. That is mashed strong. I hurt my ears. Be like 3 drinks later, your girl is smooth. And I have a freaking bad ankle. Holly do not.
Zari's trying to get out now.
Azaria.
What is it called?
My name is Azaria, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Oh.
Channel.
Logan is so funny. Yeah, don't let go, Logan. They at least a face. Three? Yeah, 3. Nene. Put on the shorts. Oh, cargo. What you got on your feet? What's on your feet?
Crocs.
Yeah, let's just do the hair. Not too much, but the hair is definitely given. The makeup is given, like, period.
Yeah, Zari, say that again. What you just said. Period. And we will. And we will. And we will. Period. Well, her nose is so red. Cover the sun, but yeah, we will. Period. Okay? Don't play with her.
So we're about to pick out some cake so we can sing happy birthday to Zari. It's complimentary. Is it pastry or cake? Oh yeah, Zari, they over here. Ooh, they have fun cupcakes.
Oh, they say happy birthday. They have red velvet? That looks red velvet right there.
I think they have it right there, yeah.
What, this one?
Yeah.
This one is prettier.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. The camera's picking up weird, but that's pretty. Baby is turning 12. Well, she's 12 already. And yeah, like, I'm just happy that I get to see her grow up to be such a beautiful young lady. And I know it may sound so corny, but like, I love my niece. I would do anything for her. She's like the best thing that ever happened to the family, to me in particular, because I just love being an auntie. So yeah. But yeah, it's really been going really good. So I'm just blessed and I'm really happy. So
This nigga got toast and butter. I don't even know what time it is. She getting damn toast. Yikes on a try, Betty.
pretty. Because I was really eager, but it's really good.
Okay, this is the Alfredo. I had some of her pizza because she said it was so good. It didn't have the noodles that I wanted, but it was fine. I got some bacon bits in it, and
It was really good, though. But everything they don't have in every country, that's true. But yeah, guys, it's actually not bad. Not bad. I think it's really good.
I'm cool right now. Like 10 out of 10. If I live in Orlando, like Florida, and I just did not want to eat what my mom cooked, I would come down to McDonald's, order this exact meal.
So cool. They have like a little mini arcade. It's super cute. Like, honestly, the kids will love this. You know, like, you can do so much. So cute. Like, I love it. So cute. All right, we're in Walgreens now. I'm probably gonna get me something to drink. I don't know what yet. Nene, what you gonna get to drink? Stuff. Oh, wow. Okay, maybe one I'll pick up for him. Only one, not two, okay? Which one do you think he would like the most? Which one? He's picking up stuff from...
You don't have to order
Plushie for Berber. He's gonna love that plushie so much.
What your birthday was yesterday?